Good morning, what can I make for you?
Hi, can I have a coconut donut, a chocolate glazed donut, and a chocolate sprinkled and 2 chocolate sprinkled donuts?
I want to make sure I have all these. 1 second.
Okay.
2 chocolate sprinkled, a chocolate glazed, and then the coconut?
Yes.
Sure, you and them all in the same bag?
Sure.
Okay, I got them.
All right, thank you.
You can hold up, thanks.
Thanks. Yes. Yes. Hey, now we're ready to fish. Savage. Welcome back. It's a very windy day, but we got Dylan.
Hi.
Dylan's with us today, and Dylan has no idea what we're doing. So we're gonna tell him right now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do the smallest fish challenge. The smallest fish challenge. So whoever catches the smallest fish wins.
Oh my god.
And I'm gonna time it. What do you think, like 45 minutes? All right, so I'm gonna set a timer for 45 minutes. We have a ruler because we couldn't find like a measuring tape, so we have a ruler with us. We're gonna measure every single fish that we catch, and the smallest fish wins.
All right.
Are you ready?
Let's do this. Let's do this.
We got this. We got this in the bag. Becca's winning. All right, timer set to 45 minutes, starting now. You better get your butt kicked by a girl. All right, we're doing a bait change. You have one? No way. No. Oh my, it doesn't count until you put it on the measuring board. Damn it. I can't lose on my own challenge.
I think you're gonna have to.
Damn it. No. He's so small too. Yeah, whatever. It's fine, it's fine. We're tying on the juice right now. Measuring's right there.
Where?
Right there. Yeah.
Oh, why are we down here? All right, guys. So this is the fish. This is him. He's beautiful, lovely. Got a little bit of the belly, but 7 inches. His tail's hanging off just a little bit.
Just about 7. All right, put her back.
Fair enough. Thank you for the catch.
Yeah, whatever. There we go. We got some distance on that cast. Bite. I got one. I got one. I got one.
Awesome.
Oh, yes. There we go. First fish. Woo! All right, we finally caught our first micro bass. Well, Dylan caught 2, but I finally caught one. What am I trying to beat? 7.5?
7 inches and 8 1/4.
Oh.
Becca.
I'm winning, aren't I?
Yeah. Look at.
It's like right on 7.
Oh, no. Yeah, right on 7.
Right on 7. 7 inches.
So we're matching.
Hell yeah. One last look. Guess who's beating Dylan? Yes. All right. Get a quick release on this guy. Thank you. You might be the winning fish. See ya. All right, we got 16 minutes left on the clock. You had one? I'm gonna let him run with it now. See if he comes back for it. Oh, we have one. There we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, he took my worm. Oh. All right, we're gonna do this really, really fast. Oh no. No, oh my God.
You lucked out.
Dude.
Can you get him?
I don't know. He went in between the rocks down here.
Send him that back.
Dude. Oh my God, I see him. He's right in there. There we go. Here, take the camera, I got it.
Yay, Becca!
Oh my God. I don't even know. I'm not even gonna measure him. Can you just toss him back in the water?
Yes.
There we go.
That was amazing of you.
Okay. No. That is so small. Holy crap.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
No way. All right, Dylan just caught the smallest bass. Like, there's just no way we're winning this. Like, this is insane. Oh my God. All right, we gotta go check him out.
Yeah, he's like 6.5. Not even.
Let me see. Lift the bigger finger. Damn. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye, Dylan's fish. God damn it. I've never seen a fish that small come out of here either. All right. 5 minutes left. And I'm making a run to the other side. I think Dylan's coming too, but we're on a hunt for a fish under 5 inches. Oh God. All right, one last idea before the timer runs out. In 1 minute, we have exactly 1 minute. Oh my God. 1 minute remaining! Dylan! Dylan, I think I just did it! No way! No way! Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. We gotta go, we gotta run, we gotta go see if it measures. Woo! Dylan, get over here! We gotta see! All right, get this bad boy unhooked. This is the first step. We have 5 seconds. The fish has already landed, so it counts. There she goes. There's the timer. This is the last possible fish. Oh my God, no, 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 no. No, Dylan's bass was a little over 5. Mine is almost at 6. All right, this is our last fish. So I'm gonna let her go. Last fish. See you, bud.
How big did you say?
That was 5.5. How big was yours?
No, you definitely won.
What?
No, you definitely won.
What do you mean?
Mine was only like 6.5.
Nuh-uh.
No, yeah.
No!
You won.
Yeah.
I promise you.
Oh my God.
No,
All right.
mine was definitely like 6.5.
So I actually won?
Yeah.
Oh my God, what the heck? I thought yours was 5.
No, mine was like 6.5. 6.
So I won.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Welcome back! I just won. What's good? Dude, you really could have just played that off, and I would have believed it for the rest of my life that you won.
No, well, we can see on the video.
Yeah, you're right. I probably would have edited this and called you and been like, when I go home and edit it, we'll see. But I think I won.
I think.
Oh my God, I just won.
Yeah.
What's good? I feel like this isn't really a competition that you get to like freak out about that you won. Oh my God, I just won the smallest bass fishing tournament.
No, that's actually pretty sick.
It is pretty sick, I guess.
Because most people.
We gotta switch things up, you know? I don't always want to catch big fish. We gotta give the small fish some love too.
More than lady friend. But,
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. We got some good fish. They were small, but that was the whole point of the competition. I always come here and I never can really catch the fish because you have to have a smaller lure. Like, there's absolutely no big fish in this pond. I guarantee if you come here, like, the fish that we caught today are the fish you're gonna catch if you come here. It's insane. But I've been dying to do this video because, again, I know the size of the fish that are in here, and we had a lot of fun today. I mean, it was a 45-minute competition. The last minute, I ended up winning. We saved a fish. Dylan caught some fish. We caught some fish. It was a lot of fun. So, at the end of the day, it was a good video. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and comment down below. You already know the deal. I mean, I say this at the end of every single video, but do not forget, do everything I just said. And all of this is down below. Big red button, can't miss it. We're gonna wrap things up for today, so thank you so much for staying tuned. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time.